Amakuru aharigana katonyeziwe Radio West manyarufu mihanga yawe.
I saw the way Arsenal was able to win. There's no way, because you can see Bukayo Saka against someone, touch it to Jesus, someone gets the goal, and teamwork leads to success. Hallelujah. But listen to this. Even PSG was a strong team by the way. Very strong. But Arsenal did a good work on defensive game. And if the referee was not real, if the referee was fair, he would have given us a penalty,
Amakuru aharigana katonyeziwe Radio West manyarufu mihanga yawe.